6-3-2021 6 ಜನ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. BC ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್, ST ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಧಾಕರ್, ನಾರಾಯಣಗೌಡ, ಬೈರ್ತಿ ಬಸವರಾಜ್. 6 ಜನ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು 5ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 6/5/6 ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ permanent injunction. Along with the civil suit, they also filed an interlocutory application seeking temporary injunction. According to me, as I understand the law, there is no cause of action at all. Without any cause of action, the civil suit is filed before the city civil court. Against 67 print media, TV media, and social media, and also one Rajsekhar Malali is a 68th defendant. 67 are media and Malali from Ballari. Rajsekhar Malali. None prakara there is no cause of action at all. Because there is no occurrence of incident or it injured the rights of the plaintiffs. If any incident occurs, if it injures the rights of any citizen or plaintiffs, then only cause of action arises. Without any cause of action, he is filed before the civil court on the ground that 2nd of March, a CD was released and published in all the TV channels, telecasted in all the channels. In the CD, Ramesh Jarkivale was said to have been involved. Consequently, he has resigned. It leads to resignation of Mr. Ramesh Jarkivale. And they have mentioned in the plaintiff that it is telecasted in BTV that there are 19 CDs in respect of ministers and MLAs, and they may be released, they may be telecasted, they may be reported. On this ground, so cause of action arises for us. And Rajshekhar Malali also made a statement that there are 19 CDs in respect of MLAs and ministers, other MLAs, ministers and MLAs other than Ramesh Jarrakiholy. So it is mentioned in the plaint. The plaintiffs mentioned it in the plaint. So it is a kalpita. ಒಂದು ಆಪಾದನೆ, ಕಲ್ಪಿತ ಆಪಾದನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿನ ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಗಲು ಮುಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬೆನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಹೆಗಲು ಮುಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಗಲು ಮುಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಹೆಗಲು ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿನ ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಗಲು ಮುಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. I don't know what made these honorable ministers to approach the civil court and get the temporary injunction. If they are clear in their mind, they have not done anything which violates the law or it attracts Indian Penal Code or other laws. Without any evidence or provocation, they filed the suit and got the temporary injunction. The civil judge court granted temporary injunction on 6th March 2021 till next date of hearing, that is 31st March 2021. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 31ರವರೆಗೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರರಿ ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 67 ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು 68ನೇ ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್